Hey there, today we are going to be talking about 7 different ways in which you can invest in yourself. And when people hear about investing, they think it's about money, but it doesn't have to be about money. And this is a good video at this time of the year because the year is still fresh, so we can still track our goals and smash them. My name is Bessie Monyori. Welcome here if you're new. If you're not new here, still welcome. This is a channel where we talk about everything personal development, personal finance, budgeting, investing, stocks, everything in between. I also talk about things to do with being an international student in Australia. So if those are things that interest you, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification button so you don't miss another episode. One of the ways in which you can invest in yourself is just taking accountability. Like step back, stop blaming everyone else for your problems and just step back, take accountability. And I know sometimes the government is bad, sometimes your parents may be messed up, sometimes life has not handed you a silver spoon, but you can make something with your situation. Maybe you're not earning like 100,000 Kenyan shillings, but you're earning like 20k. So ask yourself, maybe I can save 100 shillings per day instead of like setting big goals of 20k per day, and that is not achievable as of where you are right now. So take accountability, get out of the victim mindset, and just look at the world in a different eye. Start seeing opportunities as opposed to, oh my god, we are so defeated. Oh my god, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, the other thing is take care of your mental health and take care of your spirits. And I know right now most people are just talking about making money, making money, making money. And sometimes you can have a lot of money but you're not happy. You can have a lot of money but you're not healthy. You don't feel like getting out of bed. You don't feel like doing anything. So first and foremost, take care of your mind, take care of your spirit, take care of yourself, and seek help. It's okay to seek help. It's okay to be like, I'm not okay, I need a break. Like, it's okay to seek help, especially mental health, things to do with mental health, especially if you're an international student. Mental health is a very big deal here. So, guys, take care of yourself. The other thing you need to do is learn how money works. Be financially literate. That's like one of the biggest favors you can do yourself right now. If you learn how money works, you're able to make more of it, and you will be more confident. You will be able to take advantage of investments. You are able to be more calm because you're not always worried about the next coin or how broke you are. So yeah, learn how money works. And if you don't learn how money works, you will be the one paying the highest taxes, you'll be the one paying the highest interest, you'll be the one taking credits unwisely, you'll be the one buying liabilities. So learn how money works. You will do yourself a favor. And don't be afraid. If there's one thing I'm never afraid of, is like taking advantage of a course. If I know something is going to help me learn something, I take advantage of it. I invest my money in it. The funny thing with most of us is you've spent your whole life in school. Like, you've been in school for like 20 years of your life. You paid millions of dollars, but when you're sold a $50 course or $100 course or $200 course, you're like, oh my god, that's a lot of money. You have to change your mindset and you have to keep learning. The other thing you can do is find a physical or a virtual mentor. And mentors can be in form of the people you watch, the podcasts you listen to, just the kind of content you interact with, the books you read. So most of it's usually quite hard to find physical mentors, just because even mentors feel the pressure, like, this guy is looking at me like a mentor, what if I fail them, what if I mess up their life? But you can have a virtual mentor, someone who is doing things that you like, someone who is talking about things that you like, and you watch them, you try and learn from their habits, you try and, I can say copy, but you can try to like follow in their steps. If it's someone you admire and you're trying to achieve the things that they have achieved in life or something. The other thing that you need to do is learn how to say no. Like, don't go broke trying to impress people. Wealth is what you don't see. That's the other thing. Like, learn to say no, learn to set boundaries, learn to speak up for yourself, learn to accept that you are gonna miss out sometimes. Like, don't let fear of missing out make you just go doing everything, going out even if you're burnt out, buying whatever even if you're broke, going out even if your bank is like crying and looking at you like, are you sure? And just learn to say no, learn to take a step back and look at things and be like, do I really need to do this? And you're like, nah. So the other thing that you can do to invest in yourself is get out of your surrounding. I'm not going to say travel or go to the US or go to Australia, because not everyone is able to do that. But you can get out of your surrounding. There's one thing that I used to do, especially when I was in Kenya. Like, I love houses, I love interior decor. So I could just go walk in like an estate. I'm like, I can actually see myself living here. I can actually see myself making enough money to buy this kind of apartment. You don't even know how you're going to make that money, but the fact that you're exposing your mind to that, it's telling you that good things are there and good things are available. It's just like going to the mall. You're able to see shops, you're able to see different products, you're able to see business ideas. So look at the world. Traveling or just getting out of your space helps you see things in another perspective, and it also helps you see opportunities as opposed to staying in your house and you're doing nothing and you're just not feeling inspired. Get out of your space and you will see things that will make you be like, I can actually get that too. It's not like those people have green blood, they have red blood like you, they have a functioning brain like you. And I understand that you might not be accorded the same opportunities, but still you can do things up to a certain capacity, or yeah. So get out of your comfort zone and do these things. These are the things that you can invest in yourself, and you can just have like take a small step each day. If you want to be financially literate, read 2 pages of a book each day. If you want to be mentally stable, work out, eat well, pray. If you want to be like get out of your surrounding, just get out, drive to a place, go enter somewhere, go into a nice restaurant and ask for a coffee, even if it's like a cheap coffee or an expensive coffee. Get out of your surrounding. If you want to take accountability in just the steps that you do every day. Like, keep promises to yourself. And guys, I promise you, if you do that, you will be way better off than how you were last year. So guys, comment, subscribe, share, and do all the good things. I will see you next time. Bye.